Professor, this is Wei Hao Khan. I'm here to do a demonstration for Lab9. So for the first part, platform detection and on-screen controls, I have basically created the project with some in here. So if I just go to game and run it, it will disappear. All the on-screen function will disappear. And I have also created and made it right here. If I run it, you can see the buttons just right here. And for Lab9, and the jump and map is totally working. And yeah, the first part I just finished. Sorry. And the next part. So the next part is Unity's player's pref class was used to create a simple saving and system. What I have doing here, if I just go to the project and running the game, when I press K, it will load it. It will save it, and when I run again and press L, it's working. It's loaded here, and yeah, if I go to the LD player with this project and click start, and if I just easily run here and save, and later on, if I come back here using the load button, you can see I'm just around here, and map is working. So we should also finish that here. Okay, next part. Sorry, not fourth. Okay, and next part is binary formatted class was used to create a simple thing. Back to the code that I created here. In the player data, I have public player data, and right here it's the binary formatter I'm using here to save and load the game, which I also created here. And next part is you switch to the Android build plan. One place setting will configure to allow for landscape orientation and to build credit for Android. And demonstrate. So if I just go back to here and delete it and rebuild it, build settings, I'm in Android already, and build and run, go to here. Although one thing, if I switch the devices that I'm using, it will just automatically change the screen and sticker and fit in the screen. I will show it when its progress is finished. Okay. And if I just go to simulator and go to maybe E, it's fit in, S8 fit in, and Note fit in, Viral is fitting. Also button is fitting here. And go to Xiaomi, it's fitting here. Go to an iPad, sorry, go to the iPhone, it's fitting. And iPhone 7, SE. Back to the XR. Yeah, some part is not because it's too small. And back to the S10. And I have created here the LD player, and the button is working, and I can jump and go here to see anything. And when I click save, it will pop up game data saved, and back to the LD player, and close it and run again with Unity, start and load, just right here. Yeah, which I have saved here. Okay, and this is also finished. Okay, so next part is the edit this week's lab to master report. What I'm using is Git Kraken. I have pushed everything for Lab9 on GitHub, and if I just go to the GitHub, will just shows up the file that I just created here 9 minutes ago, and in the SS script you can see some changes here. There's game save managers and some data that I used here, which I also finished. So that's everything for today's demonstration. Thank you for listening my demonstration. Thank you.